Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hope y'all are having an amazing day, a good afternoon, and you're gonna have a good night. Sorry if I sound a little sick. Not sick, just extremely stuffed up. I blow my nose like every 10 minutes, then it'll start bleeding because I blow it so much. It's rough, but today is the day we are replacing these bad boys. That is where we are going right now to pick up some Braum racing seats. Found them on Facebook Marketplace. We're just doing a straight up trade. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. He wants the OEM seats back, and I want some Braum racing seats. I did pick up this car from PSA. From GameStop that I shipped out to get graded. An Akeem Olajuwon. Came back a PSA 5, bro. What? It's still worth about 70 bucks. But yeah, that's an L, because I spent more than that on the card. But dude, tell me how. I'll try to get to focus here. Tell me how it's not focusing. Bro, a 5? I don't know if I'm tripping, but this should be like a 7 or 8. Yeah, the corners, the edges, not even the corners. The edges are maybe a little scuffed, just a little bit though, not much. And the back isn't fading at all. Just so y'all know, if that card was a PSA 10, a perfect card, it'd be about $4,000. If it was a 9, it's about $450, $500, and an 8 is in the $300 range. I spent $100 on the car and $25 to get it shipped, so we're down $50. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it or not. But anyways, 49 minutes. Got a little trip ahead of us to go get these seats. That's all right. And then once I get these, I got the tools to take these out, switch them over. Hopefully his has seat belts on them, because I don't have the stuff to take the seat belts off. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna do a little photo shoot after I get the seats in too, of course. Y'all follow my Instagram here. And yeah, I'll post some of the photos that I take up in here. I need a thumbnail, so. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in a bit. Peace.
Blessed be our founding fathers.
I see my new seats. You can't even see, bro, because it's so goddamn dark. This shit looks good. I like that wing. Looks clean. Yo, look at how hot it is. It is 90 degrees. Anyways, I'm gonna try to talk over the copyright, but I am taking out the seats right now. So once he comes out, he's with his little grandma right now. But once he comes out, I'll have the seats ready to go, and then we can just switch them over. Because we're literally gonna swap them from his car to my car right now, and boom, just like that, we're done. Y'all, if you can't tell, I'm hot. I'm like dying. I'm over here bolting these seats in right now. Look, can you see this? My hair's on my arms. Look like I just got out the shower. You hear all this hard bolting in that I'm doing? It's too hot for this. I'm gonna enjoy the AC on the way back for sure. I'll show you how they look though in a bit. Peace. I feel like a race car driver. Damn, boy. They call me Race Attack. Bro, these are tough. Now we got an hour and 10-minute drive home. Let's see if I can deal with how uncomfortable they are. But I'm sweating, so I'm gonna enjoy my time with the windows down and the breeze breezing. Alright, we just got to the car wash, so I'm gonna wash the car really quick. Then we're gonna go take some pictures. I'll take some videos for y'all, which y'all will see after this. And then we're gonna get my wife's reaction to the seats once she gets home. I already know what she's gonna say. White? Why'd you get white? Because white is clean. Anyways. She is. Oh, I'm editing. Oh my, she's so fast. Okay, come babe, come. Oh, not good at parking.
Excuse me?
Oh, she heard me. Okay, come. No, keep the car on so you can come sit in them.
Still in the vehicle.
Hi, girl. Come here really quick.
It's so hard.
Uh-oh. Push it open.
What are those?
Oh, so cool.
Dada, I love your toy seat.
Oh, thank you, baby.
It's
At
okay.
least you're supportive.
Dada.
Sit.
This does not go with
It looks good. Sit.
Those are my friends.
Those are your friends? You feel like a race car driver? Why don't you like them?
They're not comfortable.
Daddy, change
They are comfortable.
No, that should hurt your back.
Oh my bro. A literal hater. I didn't spend any money. Oh, yeah,
Daddy,
I
put
tried
it
those.
still in there.
I wonder why you tried
Bro, she's a hater. Literal hater. You wanna come see my new seats?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Come. Out of the road, Malia. Come here. Come on. Owen.
No. No.
Okay, I'll grab your blankie.
Oh, what?
Come here. Come here. Look, Owen. You like them? You like? Yeah, you like my seats? Oh, drink? Yeah, that's my water.
Mommy, Daddy, come on.
Okay, come on, Owen.
Chick-fil-A.
Come on, Owen.